Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zita and I'm a boudoir and intimate portrait photographer. In today's video I'm bringing another lesson on creating variety, while I'm bringing you to a behind the scenes of a photo shoot that's happening in one environment and in one outfit. And you will see me create variety from 5 basic poses. These poses are very easily adjustable. They are very easy when it comes to your subject's flexibility. And just by making small adjustments and changing your angles, you can achieve a lot of results. I will show you 30 plus photos coming out of this photo shoot. So I hope you can find this video useful. Enjoy, like and subscribe.